Hello, this is Mrs. Wiggins. I just wanted to give you guys a bit of an update or a refresher on the lesson. We really had to rush through today, so I want to make sure that you really understand how to combine like terms and then talk about that last part of the lesson, which we kind of rushed through. So remember when you're adding like terms, if we have this first example, 16p plus 84p, right? These two terms are the same. So we can go ahead and just add them together. So we'd have 16p plus 84p. And we're adding the coefficients, which is this number right here in front of the variable. So we kind of rushed through that definition today, but the coefficient is the number in front of the like term or in front of the variable. So we have 16 plus 84 is 100. If we look down at this one, we have a negative 20t minus 8.5t. These are, again, like terms, so we can go ahead and just combine the coefficients, and we'll end up with a negative 28.5t, because remember, we are combining negative numbers. Down here on C, you'll see that we have m squared, and then we have m cubed here. So the m cubed is not a like term as the m squared. So when we are combining, we can combine this coefficient with this one, but here there is no number, so remember that means 1. So we have 3m squared minus 1m squared plus m cubed. So when we combine those, we end up with 2m squared plus m cubed. Also, so if we're looking at this using properties and operations to show that this expression is going to simplify to the second expression, we're looking at 14x plus 4 times 2 plus x. We can look at first, we can use the distributive property, because we're going to take 4 and multiply that out, because we can't add the 2 plus the x here. So we could have the idea that 4 times 2 times plus x is equal to 4 times 2 plus 4 times x, and that's the distributive property. And then we can multiply out. So we have 4 times 2 is 8, so we'd have 4x plus 8 plus 4x. Then we have that commutative property of addition, right, where we're adding those like terms to make it or we can move that around just so that it's near each other. So we're going to have 14x plus 4x plus 8. And we can associate those together, those two numbers together, so that we can add them, and we're combining the like terms. So we'll have 18x plus 8. So here's a second example of looking at how to make this one expression into the other expression by simplifying and explaining as we go. So again, we're going to do the distributive property first to multiply the 6 times x minus 6 times 4 plus 9. Next, we're going to multiply, so we'll have our 6x minus 24 plus 9. Then we're going to combine our like terms, and the like terms for this problem are just the coefficients or just the numbers without the variable there. So we have 6x minus 15, and that's as simplified as this gets. I hope this helps you out. If you watch the whole video, write the key word pumpkin on the top of your homework, and I'll give you a ticket tomorrow. Again, write the keyword pumpkin on top of your homework, and you'll get a ticket tomorrow. Thanks.